What's up guys, welcome to Diwali. My name is iPhone and I'm here again. In this video we are going to talk about two new elements and they are breadboard and wires. So we need wires to transfer electricity from one place to another. The next element is breadboard. The board consists of four parts. In the both right and left sides there are positive and negative columns. In the middle there are rows with numbers and letters. There are two blue and red columns in the breadboard. If we connect the red wire of our battery compartment to the black board, there will be positive charge in the column. The same thing will happen in the black one. There will be the negative charge. Pay attention to the middle of the breadboard. There are 30 rows with 30 numbers and letters on top and bottom of it. Let's take one wire and put its first tip in the positive charge and another one in A point. Then there will be positive charge in A, B, C, D and E. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to follow our channels, press the like and see you again guys.